this is also very nice today, however. I don't think I think it was built before. I'm not sure. But this is also Kustaankatu, 8 staircase here. Not real.
Yeah, or 8A, and not staircase here.
Yes, just that area for the building. There's 8B building also, which is different. It's delta notation.
Yeah.
Yes, here I don't have Åshöjden here.
Åshöjden in Swedish.
Yeah, Åshöjden here. This was built in 1938, realized in 1992. December 6492644. ASEA. I don't remember having filmed this before. So it was probably not filmed before.
Yeah.
Because it was impossible.
Yeah.
And I was trying myself, it wasn't possible.
Yeah.
And these Kone push buttons are more rare also.
Yeah. Dit pakje wijsbetaald met een paasje.
Just be leveling nowadays.
Ja.
Very rare I see originally.
Yeah.
And how many from 1938 original ASEA have we filmed? Oh, they're more rare than other years from the 30s.
At least more rare than 1939.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
So this was also a bit less,
Yeah.
but still interesting. Just the push buttons and it was B11.
Yeah.
And that's it, thanks so much.
Yeah.
That's a nice.
Yeah. That's